Welcome to the Tech Learning Hub. Today we are discussing about types of tables in Snowflake. Snowflake offers four types of tables like temporary table, transient table, permanent table, and then external table. What is the temporary table? So we are going to before temporary table, we need to know the session. Session means login and logout in Snowsight. Like temporary table exists only within a session in which they are created. Once the session will end, the data stored in a table is purged. What is purged means? Purged is equal to deleted. So temporary table you cannot be recoverable. Who created user also they do not recoverable in Snowflake. But temporary table having time travel period having to the 1 day. However, temporary table is purged once the session. Temporary table will be purged. Once the session will end, the table will purged. So the data retention period is here 24 hours. How to create temporary table? Create temporary table name. We are given to table name and then column data type, column to data type. So this is the syntax for while creation of temporary table. Next, transient table. Transient table mean for the data must be kept until the each session. Suppose the session will end once we can log in the snow site or warehouse. So the data must be kept. It's called as transient table. Transient table having to the time travel period 1 day, but it won't be recoverable. In case of complete database file load, transient table also it won't be recoverable. Transient table having to no file save period, but transient table how to create transient is a keyword. Create transient table name and then column name data type. So it is the syntax for transient table. Next, permanent table. What is the permanent table? By default, when we create a table in Snowflake, it will be created as a permanent table. Like permanent table support the time travel feature and then file save feature. Like whenever the complete database failure, it will be recoverable to these tables. How to create permanent table? Create table name and then id data type and then column name data types. Like permanent table having time travel period and then file save period. Permanent table in case complete database failure any fluctuation occurs, so at a time it can be recoverable. It's called as permanent table. And then external table. In an external table, data will not stored in a database. Data will stored in the external locations like AWS S3, Azure Blob, GCP bucket. So this ways data will stored in external location. External table can be used for only query and joining purpose. So we don't run we don't performing to the in DML operation in external table. However, external table can be used for query and join operation. But we can create the views as per the business requirement. We can create the views. Time travel period also not supported in external table. How to create the external table? Create external is the keyword. Create external table name with location where the files will available. We are giving to the that location. So we are giving to the stage at the rate my3 stage and then file format given to the f underscore csv. So this way we can create to the external table. Thanks for watching.